Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Usain Bolt call center that's being built. This one is at 30 Hope Road, which is across from the Andrews Memorial Hospital. Now this is going to be a call center building. As you can see, the layout is perfect for call centers. And it should be completed sometime next year. It's going to be 4 floors. Alright guys, so enjoy the update as we give you a look at this building. This is actually the second building. That's Hope Road you're looking at there, and that building straight ahead to the right, that is 45 HR, 45 Hope Road, and that's a 10-story building. This one, the call center, is 4 stories. And that busy road you see there, that's Hope Road. This is actually the second call center building that Mr. Bolt is building. He built one on Halfway Tree Road, and that one is fully occupied. So this is the second one. Now this is a massive building. Although it's only 4 floors, you can see how far back it goes. This is the ideal layout for call centers because they want an open space, like an open floor. And up straight ahead, that's 45 HR. This to the right, I don't think you can see it in the video, is 23 LMR, 23 Lady Musgrave Road, which is another 5-story building. Then behind us, or in the other direction, you have the Rogers, which is 20 floors. That's also under construction. And then you have the Ascent, that's 27 floors. That's going to start soon. So a lot of construction is going on in this area. A lot. Alright guys, well, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.